Ladies, we have a situation. These niggas and these bitches, they've been hating. So you know what? We're gonna take care of it.
Take care.
Because these bitches don't know.
They don't know
what type of bosses we are. You know, no, we like to go get the real Italian, the real lasagna, and the real spaghetti. These bitches, they don't know about it. So you know what? We'll show them we're modern pretty.
I'm from the city. Pearls and pistols. I'm from the city where niggas don't sleep. I remember back when 90s babies growing up in motherfucking Akron. Ohio was the state, you debate for them piranhas. Presidential suite, all white feel like Obama. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. From the city where niggas don't sleep. I remember back when 90s baby growing up in motherfucking Akron. Ohio was the state, you debate for them piranhas. Presidential suite, all white feel like Obama. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Call the paramedics, cardiac arrest. The way my heart is beating out my chest. I got heart, niggas never bleed, but the aim of the pink pistol will have you to your knees. I've been in the jungle with the lions, in the safari. Stay playing these niggas like Atari. No apologizing, I'm not sorry. Bad bitches like the mafia, come and kill and straight clapping ya. I'm classy, I'm a lady, stick my hand out, then you pay me. Then I spend a couple grands, go out, show out, then I throw a couple bands. Niggas trying to tell me that bands will make a dance, but bands will make a nigga hustle hard for his fam. I got long wind, big bills, I got long ends, trapping like I'm rapping, so I'm steady getting dividends. Pearls and pistols, I'm the bitch that got you hit to. Complete be the motherfucking mob, we the coldest. Shaking these niggas up like baking soda. Blow your head out till you hold it. I'm vicious when I'm exploding. Pearls and motherfucking pistols. I'm from the city where niggas don't sleep. I remember back when 90s baby growing up in motherfucking Akron. Ohio was the state, you debate for them piranhas. Presidential suite, all white feel like Obama. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. I'm that promethazine and codeine that you niggas fiend. And chopper take your head off, fuck up a nigga's dream. And we gon' weigh that money up on that triple beam. We all you niggas need, we all you niggas need. And team full of savages, my niggas ain't having it. Blow down, blow up, you resident and get the clapping shit. All gold on my neck and wrist, diamonds like the globe and shit. That's that global mogul shit, you know that we keep it lit. Use a lot of caution, or get put in a coffin. I stay coughing, smoking on the strongest. Keep a couple bad ones, keep a couple mad ones, but fuck a hater and everything you stand for. What the fuck you mad for? The plug wanna plug me in, so fuck the middleman. Now he my biggest fan, tryna make a couple grand, tryna make a couple grand. We gon' flip from the city where niggas don't sleep. I remember back when 90s baby growing up in motherfucking Akron. Ohio was the state, you debate for them piranhas. Presidential suite, all white feel like Obama. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Rockin' pros and toting pistols. If I cock it, I won't miss you. Bullets shred for your tissue base, beating through the system. Damn, I'm so influential, but I'm never duplicated. Independent when I get it, riding solo when I whip it. Twin barrels in my gun, son. We do this for fun. One, here's the number. I am only loyal to my fucking fam. Master of the mix, I'm the fix. If you need dope, we can make it flip 100%. Watch that money grow. See that Molly fizzing in my drink, act like I didn't know. Call up my goons and gain complete control, cause we cold, can't stop us. Completely true to who we are, how could you knock us? Be the hater, but this way, we ain't petty. The rap game is my whole color, motherfucking city. Cause everybody fucked her, and everybody hit her. The way I put her 6 feet under, everybody gon' miss her. And I'ma leave her body missing. Listen. I'm from the city where niggas don't sleep. I remember back when 90s baby growing up in motherfucking Akron. Ohio is the state, you the bait for them piranhas. Presidential suite, all white feel like Obama. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Diamonds were your best friend, but they don't represent you. Little 22, keep it cute like pros and pistols. Pros and pistols. Pros and pistols. I'm from the city where niggas don't sleep. Pearls and pistols. Pearls and pistols. Pearls and pistols.